In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. In this video we are going to discuss lecture number 8, chapter 1 of Computer Science for 9th class. So, stay with us. The today's topic is the Modern Stored Program EDC. In 1945, John von Neumann, in a study revealed new awareness of how practical and fast computers should be built. These ideas referred to as stored program technique. According to von Neumann theory, data and program can be stored in the same memory. Thus the machine can itself alter either its program or internal data. The group of computers included ADVAC and UNIVAC, which were the first commercially available computers. This is the picture of ADVAC, and this is the picture of UNIVAC. Please like this video and subscribe our channel.